What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we got OPPO Reno5 Pro 5G smartphone with us. It is the same device that is launched in some regions as OPPO Reno5 Pro Plus and in some regions as OPPO Find X3 Neo. So depending on your region, you can consider any of these three names. The device is going to be same, and in this video I am going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device inside, its design features, highlighted specs, while performing all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, if you have not subscribed to this channel till now, then hit the subscribe button and the bell icon as well. So here on the front side we got a huge 5 written at the top of the box, OPPO Reno5 Pro 5G, Reno5 Pro, OPPO branding. Here it is clearly mentioned that this device comes with all of the Google applications and support to Google Play. It comes with 12GB RAM, 256GB storage. The color variant we got inside is Galactic Silver, and this is a dual SIM smartphone. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here is the OPPO branding that is reflecting the light from it, looking quite beautiful. So here we got the SIM card tray ejector pin, some user manual, quick start guides, etc. and a silicone case for the back panel. Here we got the OPPO Reno5 Pro 5G, and here are some of the highlighted specs of the device. Here we got the massive 65-watt OPPO SuperVOOC charger, and here we got the USB Type-C cable, and here we got the earphones. So these are the stuff we got inside the retail box of OPPO Reno5 Pro 5G, the smartphone, the silicone case for the back panel, the SIM card tray ejector pin along with some quick start guides, the USB Type-C cable, 65-watt charger, and the earphones. So here is the OPPO Reno5 Pro in Galactic Silver. So let's switch on the device, and while it's booting up for the first time, I'm going to tell you about few of its highlighted features and specs. So it comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor. We got a 6.5-inch AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate. The device is running on Android 11, Color OS 11. We got quad camera setup on the back and a 32 megapixel camera on the front side. The battery capacity is 4500 mAh and it comes with 65-watt SuperVOOC charging. So now I'm just going to finish this setup, and after that we will have a look on the device. And here we go. So first of all, let's talk about the design. On the front side, we got a 6.55-inch screen with 92.1% screen to body ratio that is 3D curved on both sides. The bezels on the sides are negligible, a very thin bezel at the bottom, and the same goes with the top as well. So on the front side, basically we just got a huge massive screen with minimal bezels. On the top left side of the screen, we got a 32 megapixel front facing camera, and here we got the earpiece. The screen is protected by Gorilla Glass 5, and OPPO is also providing a screen protector pre-applied on the screen of Reno5 Pro. So this is quite nice that we are getting dual protection on the screen of Reno5 Pro 5G here. At the bottom we got the speaker grill, USB Type-C port, the primary microphone, and the SIM card tray slot along with this antenna line here. At the top we got the secondary microphone. On the right hand side we got the power key along with 2 antenna lines, and on the left side we got the volume rockers along with 1 antenna line. But the most beautiful part of the design of OPPO Reno5 Pro is the back panel. On the back we got the huge camera module consisting of quad camera setup along with LED flash. And considering the huge Sony IMX766 sensor we got in this device, the camera bump is still pretty tiny, and once you put the provided case on it, the bump will be pretty invisible for sure. The sides of the back panel is also curved, that looks beautiful and also provide a very nice grip while holding the device in hand. But the most beautiful part is the color changing back panel. Reno5 Pro 5G comes with OPPO's latest Reno Glow technology that changes the color of the back panel at different angles, and as you can see how perfectly it's working and how beautiful it looks from different angle. Unlike other smartphones with gradient color back panel, Reno5 Pro 5G got a matte finished back panel instead of a glossy one, and it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5 as well. So we got Gorilla Glass 5 on the back, we got Gorilla Glass 5 on the front, and the aluminum frame in the middle. So the build quality of OPPO Reno5 Pro 5G is really nice and solid, and if you have a look on the top of the device, then the Reno Glow technology is implemented there as well, as it changes color at different angle just like the back panel. And it also feels so nice while touching the back panel of OPPO Reno5 Pro. And even though the device comes with a huge 6.55-inch screen and 4500 mAh battery, it weighs just 184 grams, and because of the huge screen to body ratio, it is very handy and easy to use as well. So in terms of design and build quality, OPPO Reno5 Pro 5G is a flagship in every single aspect. The screen to body ratio is huge, the 3D curved screen looks beautiful, the build quality is pretty solid, and the color changing Reno Glow back panel is just gorgeous. Few things missing here are the wireless charging or any kind of IP certification, but considering the price of OPPO Reno5 Pro compared to other flagship, it's kind of still justified. Talking about the display, we got a 6.55-inch 90Hz AMOLED display with full HD plus resolution and 402 ppi. So the display quality is very nice and it's super sharp. The viewing angles are very nice as well, and the display is HDR10 Plus certified. So you can watch your favorite shows and movies on Netflix and Amazon Prime in HDR on OPPO Reno5 Pro. Talking about the brightness, we got 500 nits typical brightness, 800 maximum brightness that can go as high as 1100 nits in some condition. So as you can see that the display looks very bright in indoors in artificial light. If you go outside in sunlight, it will go up to 800 nits, and as I mentioned, in some conditions it will go as high as 1100 nits as well. If you go to the lowest brightness, so this is very low as you can see, so you can use the device without using the night mode or anything in low light situation without putting a strain on your eyes. So in terms of display quality, we got a great looking screen as well on OPPO Reno5 Pro. It comes with always on display with lots of different always on display that you can use on the screen of OPPO Reno5 Pro 5G. So we will have a look on all of them in our another video, but here I just wanted to let you know that we got the always on display on this device, and OPPO is also providing lots of options here. Talking about the software part, we got Android 11, ColorOS 11 that is very nice and productive and comes with lots of features. Here you can see that this is the home screen. We got a folder containing all of the Google applications. We got a folder called Tools where you will find some useful applications like Audio Recorder, Music Party, Compass, Game Space, and then we got Videos, Music. It comes with Loop video editor as well that usually OPPO provides on its smartphones. We got the theme store, file manager, Facebook, Netflix and WPS Office are pre-installed on Reno5 Pro 5G. We got Relax as well, that's OPPO's application to keep you calm. If you go to the settings, here you will find lots and lots of options. As I said, ColorOS 11 is a very productive and feature-rich custom OS, and we will have a look on its feature in our another videos. OPPO Reno5 Pro 5G comes with Dolby Atmos, so let's check how good is the speaker quality. So it seems pretty good. You can see we are getting very loud audio output with good amount of bass from the speaker. And now let's talk about the camera. So we got a 32 megapixel front facing camera capable of recording 1080p resolution videos, and on the back we got a quad camera setup consisting of 50 megapixel primary camera, 16 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, 13 megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom, and a dedicated 2MP macro lens. The rear camera can record 4K resolution videos at 60 FPS. So if you launch the camera application, this is the user interface that you will find. So here in the photo mode, we got the HDR, we got the AI mode, we got some filters, then we got the video mode, inside which you can also record videos with AI highlight. We got the beautification, we got stabilization, we got the bokeh effect for the video as well, and then we got some filters. In the night mode, we got the tripod mode provided that you can use for even better videography and photography, and the night mode also comes with wide angle, as you can see here. In the portrait mode, we got the bokeh effect, filters, timer, and the beautification. If you go to more, here we will find all of the camera modes available on OPPO Reno5 Pro 5G. So what we got here is the dual video mode that records the video from the front camera and rear camera at the very same time. We got the slow motion time lapse. There is a dedicated movie mode provided as well. We got the Pro mode, Extra HD, panorama, text scanner, macro, sticker, and the Soul Loop templates are integrated in the camera application of OPPO Reno5 Pro. If we switch to the front camera, you can see that it comes with dual view video, time lapse, panorama, and sticker. So there is no slow motion provided for the front camera, and it can record only 1080p resolution videos. So it would be nice if we had the slow motion video recording and the 4K video recording from the front facing camera of OPPO Reno5 Pro here. So now let's just take few pictures and let's see how good is the camera performance. So these are the pictures that we have just captured, and as you can see, the performance is amazing. Lots of detail. You can see that I got an old tiny toy here, and Reno5 Pro 5G is capturing all of the detail here. It's very impressive, and the color reproduction is exactly like the original object here. So the camera performance looks very nice and promising, as you can see, especially when it comes to detailing. This is very impressive. So the camera performance is looking brilliant for sure, and in our detailed camera review of Reno5 Pro 5G, we will see how good it's going to be. So the detailed camera review of Reno5 Pro 5G will be available on this channel very soon. So do not forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. But at the first glance, the camera performance is quite nice, and as we have seen, it comes with lots of features that we can use for different kind of photography. So overall, OPPO Reno5 Pro 5G is a flagship smartphone in every aspect. The design and build quality is very nice and gorgeous, especially the Reno Glow back panel is just too beautiful. The 90Hz 3D curved AMOLED display with HDR10 Plus is gorgeous and provides a very nice viewing experience. And when it comes to camera, we got lots of features and options, and the performance looks quite promising as well. So many more videos of OPPO Reno5 Pro 5G are going to be uploaded very soon on this channel. So do not forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And if you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.